In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Cloudflare. Cloudflare acts as a reverse proxy handling DNS, security like DDoS protection, performance optimization, and caching. Disabling it removes these layers and points your site traffic directly to your original server. You can either pause, bypass, or completely remove Cloudflare depending on what you want. To begin, go to dash.cloudflare.com. Now, log in with your Cloudflare account. Once you're in the dashboard, select the site you want to disable Cloudflare for. You'll see the main site overview, and from there, head down to the Quick Actions panel. The easiest way to temporarily disable Cloudflare without touching DNS settings is by clicking Pause Cloudflare on site. This stops Cloudflare from acting as a proxy while still keeping your DNS management in place. It's good for troubleshooting and temporary changes. If you want to fully bypass Cloudflare and no longer route any traffic through them, you need to go to the DNS tab and click the little orange clouds next to each AAA or CNAME record, turning them gray. When they're gray, those records no longer proxy through Cloudflare. Traffic flows directly to your origin server, bypassing all Cloudflare security and optimization features. To permanently remove Cloudflare, go to the Overview tab. Scroll down and select Remove Site from Cloudflare. You'll be asked to confirm, and once done, your site will be completely disconnected from Cloudflare services. Before doing this, make sure your name servers have been updated back to your hosting provider or domain registrar's default. Otherwise, your website may go offline. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.